Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with steps down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 116,686 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel used, fuel economy, and then you have your fuel economy separately. Driver assistance settings, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, and USB capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Above that you have your traction control shutoff and hazards, and moving down you have your media controls, and then further down you have your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your trailer brake controller underneath that. On the right you have a 12-volt power outlet there, so you can plug something in from there. And moving down you have another 12-volt with your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio from there, as well as having a little compartment where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul and sport mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center, your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so you have plenty of seating in this truck while still having a compartment underneath that with some flip out cup holders like so. So you have plenty of room in there for other stuff and can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild, but that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.